A couch in a small home has to walk a thin line. Too big and it dominates the room. Too flimsy and it becomes a regret with throw pillows stacked on top like an apology. The Upvilla 71.25-inch modern sofa tries to solve that problem by doing something rare in budget furniture, offering flexibility without looking like a compromise. The size is where things start to make sense. At just over 71 inches wide, it fits apartments, downsized homes, bedrooms, and awkward living rooms where every wall has a job. The footprint feels intentional, not shrunk. The 26.3-inch deep seat gives real room to curl up, stretch out, or sit cross-legged without perching on the edge. For people who spend long hours journaling, napping, watching TV, or simply existing on their couch, that depth matters more than flashy design. The adjustable armrests are the quiet standout feature. Each arm moves through 3 positions, which means they can act as proper arm support, a low backrest for lounging sideways, or lie flat to extend the seating space. There is a learning curve here. The mechanism requires pulling the armrest fully upward to release it before laying it flat again. Once understood, it works smoothly, but without that knowledge, it can feel broken at first. This small detail explains why experiences vary so sharply. Comfort is where opinions begin to split, but the pattern is clear. The chenille fabric earns near universal praise. It's soft, breathable, and comfortable against bare skin, with a neutral, modern look that works well with decorative pillows or layered blankets. The cushions lean toward firm rather than plush. Some people love that firmness because it offers support and holds shape. Others expect a sink-in softness and find themselves wanting extra pillows behind their back. This sofa doesn't collapse around you. It holds you up, which is either a relief or a disappointment, depending on expectations. Build quality lands in a realistic middle ground. The sofa arrives in pieces, but assembly is tool-free and generally fast, often under 20 minutes. Many find the pieces fit together cleanly and feel sturdy once assembled. The 750-pound weight capacity suggests confidence in the frame, and for everyday sitting, lounging, and stretching out, it performs well. That said, a few reports mention noise from metal components when sitting down and frustration with alignment during assembly, especially around the backrest. Returning it would require full disassembly, which makes early inspection important. The seat height and structure make standing up easier than expected, a small but meaningful win for older users or anyone with joint concerns. The 5.1-inch sofa legs also leave enough clearance for robotic vacuums and small storage baskets underneath, adding practical value without advertising it loudly. In daily life, this sofa behaves like a dependable piece rather than a showpiece. Cats seem to approve of the wide armrests. It works well in retirement homes, first apartments, and small living rooms, where comfort and function matter more than status. Shipping is efficient and well communicated, often arriving in 2 clearly tracked packages, which helps reduce the stress that usually comes with furniture delivery. The Upvilla sofa isn't pretending to be luxury. It asks for reasonable expectations and rewards them with solid comfort, flexible seating, and a footprint that respects small spaces. For the price, it often feels like something that would cost much more in a traditional furniture store. When the mechanism is understood and the firmness aligns with personal taste, it becomes the kind of couch people quietly grow attached to. Not perfect, but useful, comfortable, and honest, which in furniture is often enough.